Hangzhou Leishu Cleaning Equipment Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise specialized in research and development of automatic car wash equipment. Leisuwash constantly changes its thinking and making the designed products more professional. Innovation is the source of a product's persistence and an important guarantee for an enterprise to flourish and prosper. In the past 7 years, Leisuwash has continuously transformed customer needs into technological innovations on car wash machines. These innovative designs not only bring more excellent cleaning results, and also help car wash owners increase revenue. Washing without brushes poses a special challenge for a car wash. Leisuwash DG equipped a multi-stage chemical and high-pressure system, automatically detect various types of vehicles and working with 35 centimeter flushing distance and 100 bar flushing pressure. A multi-stage applicator is used to apply different chemicals and therefore loosens a high amount of dirt. Contour following and lateral high pressure ensure that the vehicle surface is cleaned thoroughly after the dirt has been loosened. We don't need to worry about any damage to the car paint because during the cleaning process, except the cleaning fluid in high-pressure water, there is no brush contact with vehicle body. Following the Leisuwash philosophy, there is no great car wash without a great drying system. Leisuwash DG flow-optimized drying system provide contour-following air drying with accurately drying distance at 25 centimeters. By optimizing the main body of the blower, the airflow loss is effectively reduced. With 16 kilowatts of power, the premium dryer for DG ensures that cars are dry and customers are satisfied. Optional silent drying system can reduce 35% noise and energy consumption and suit to more application places. Leisuwash DG also provides customers with more humanized design concepts. Customers can easily experience the uniqueness of Leisuwash DG through these innovative features. One of the most difficult areas of vehicles to clean are the wheels. Leisuwash DG takes tire scrubbing to a new level. During the process, each tire receives a chemical application and the wheel receives an intense bidirectional rotational scrubbing, combined with high-pressure water flow. There are multiple cleaning technologies in play to meet even the most demanding consumer needs. Leisuwash DG also provide more value-added functions such as overglow lava foam. The light show will attract drivers off-street and into your wash bay. Soft wax coating makes every car wash becomes a car care and maintenance and surely will bring more return customers for you. From the first day of establishment, Leisuwash has been adhering to the business philosophy of integrity, quality, and innovation, adhering to the principle of customer first and serving customers with a professional attitude. We firmly believe that continuous innovation and high quality will be the basis for Leisuwash to truly win the market. We firmly believe that continuous innovation and high quality will be the basis for Leisuwash to truly win the market.